Join us as we show highlights of our amazing 17-day cruise on the Holland America Eurodam. Our cruise left from San Diego, California, stopped at 3 ports along the western coast of Mexico, 1 in Guatemala and 1 in Costa Rica. From there we spent a day passing through the Panama Canal. Our final port, before completion of the cruise, was in Aruba, an island just north of Venezuela. We then cruised past the east coast of Haiti and the north coast of Cuba before arriving at Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Our adventures along the way included ziplining, snorkeling, being bitten by a monkey, and receiving a rabies vaccine. Enjoy. Here we are. We're gonna look for a place, a beach, to go snorkeling.
Playa Entrega is the plan.
Let's go see what we find outside.
Yes, oh my goodness.
Mario!
Hola! Coming to Huatulco. Welcome, welcome to Huatulco. Let's go to snorkel.
Yeah.
Is that a heron? Oh, it's coming out this way.
Pelican.
Oh, pelican. Oh, they're so pretty.
It's an airplane. Oh, no, not that one.
We are snorkeling in La Entrega beach. It's one of the famous beaches in Huatulco. Going into the cave. Woo! Hola! We are in the cave. Yeah, in the cave.
How was the snorkeling?
It was really good. I loved all the many fish. Big, little, needle ones, blowfish, regular fish, colorful fish.
And we went in the Bat Cave?
Yeah, the Bat Cave, where I went long ago with Paul and Wendy and Aunt Ruth.
Just make you this foam, and but it's natural. It's not from dirty or it's natural.
Okay.
Organic,
Right.
and sears from the bottom.
Yeah,
from
the rock.
Yeah, the rock. Yeah.
This is a sea sponge. I see a lot of this down there. I was going to ask you about it.
And hold them.
Okay.
And stay together.
Yeah.
Stay together.
Okay.
Here's a real sea sponge.
It's not yellow one.
Not a yellow one.
Yes, this is a natural phenomenon. It's we call a stone face. With the nature, is make it this face in Huatulco. Wow.
That is so, yeah.
Big nose. Yeah, big nose.
colorful shit.
The view of the box. This is great.
We're going to La Iglesia de la Crucecita. It's got the largest painting of the Virgin of Guadalupe. Maybe Guadalajara. This is La Iglesia de la Crucecita with the world's largest mural of the Virgin of Guadalupe. 27-minute walk from the pier. We're in Puerto Quetzal, going to hike Pacaya Volcano.
Here we go. We'll see. We want to see an eruption of the volcano. I've always wanted to see flowing lava.
Or just glowing lava would be nice, I don't know. Plus we want to roast marshmallows in the steam between the lava rocks.
Here we are in Antigua, Guatemala. We're going to go to the Pacaya volcano and hike up to that, a 3-hour hike. But there was a landslide on the road, so we weren't able to go there. So they routed us to the city. It's about 40 minutes south of Guatemala City, and we're just walking around old Spanish cobblestones on the street. And this is the Central Park of Antigua.
This is the white jade.
White
color,
jade.
This is the color, the purple and the white jade. This is the color de Guatemala. This is all white. Sí, pero es más oscuro. What is your name? ¿Cómo te llamas? Mucho gusto. Gloria.
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 Oh,
Está bien,
oh.
Rebeca.
Very good. Factor America. This is a Factor America. Spectacular.
Ajá, esto, ajá, sí, ajá. Okay. Here we have tamales típicos de Guatemala. It's chicken wrapped in cornmeal with spices and condiments, and then the whole thing is wrapped in banana leaves. Delicious. We looked all over Antigua, Guatemala, and finally found a place selling them. Usually they only sell them on Saturdays.
¿Cuánto cuesta una tortilla?
3 por 1 quetzal.
Okay, tenemos
Tenemos
$1. So, ¿cuántos por un?
15 tortillas por $1.
15?
Sí, 15 por $1.
Oh, gracias.
15. 10. 15.
Okay.
15 tortillas.
Okay. Okay.
Ay.
Gracias.
Adiós.
Take a video. Wanda, take a picture. Here's other one. Hold it with your
Here.
hand.
Come here. Come here.
Tease them and be careful. Go close. Hold the food out.
I got you.
Go, hold this one. Hold this one. Take this one.
Thank you.
Yeah, hold it there. Have a monkey.
Did you eat it all? Huh?
Picture. Come on. Yes.
Look at her. Look at her.
That is more of them, guys.
Okay, here, take this.
Hey, you're a noisy eater. Did you eat the banana?
He's got a cookie. He has
Does
a
he
whole
got a
package
banana?
of cookies. No, he's got a package of cookies. He's ignoring your banana.
Oh, he's eating. Oh, boy.
Don't eat my ear. Hey, you're getting crumbs on me. Okay. Is the banana still
He
there?
doesn't want the banana.
You got the banana? Here,
Look at
I'm
me.
putting the banana.
Look
You
at
want
me.
the banana?
Wait, look at me.
Take all the bananas.
Hey, hey.
Complete mess.
He likes it there. He's so comfortable.
Oh my goodness.
Don't scratch your eye.
Oh, they are smart.
Are you doing it?
Get away.
That's the male.
Here, here.
Here. Here, eat this banana. Hey, eat the banana. Here, here.
So now we are entering into the next lock here. The gates are opening up and we are going to proceed forward.
No, I don't believe it.
Not much room between the ship and the side of these locks in the Panama Canal.